Sunday, the Spanish royal family made a surprise visit to the three towns affected by the flood on 29 October. King Felipe VI Queen Letizia and their daughters Princess Leonor and Infanta Sofia brought and comfort to the residents of city. Where they spent nearly 30 minutes interacting with locals and visiting the market. The residents were pleased to meet the royal family, thank them for the visiting and showing the love. A visit filled with emotional moments as the royal family connects with the people affected by the flood. Princess Leonor even took shake hands in greeting those who approached her.